I grew up in this area in DeSoto County, Mississippi. I've been a resident here my whole life. My entire family has been here for years, and my grandfather founded the Memphis Union Mission back in 1945 in downtown Memphis, and it was an area that really needed something like a Memphis Union Mission. It's still there today and still operating. It is a place where people could come who were down on their luck, who were not getting heard by the average person, were getting the ones who were really being trampled on and had a hard life. And he took them in and helped them through that and got them back on their feet. And I think maybe some of the things that his visions that he had years ago have made their way down through the generations to me and really impacted me to help people who are on their last leg, or ones who need help the most, whether the insurance companies aren't listening to them or they're just not getting a voice. And it's kind of what I want to do. I want to be the voice for those people. Back when we founded this law firm back in 2003, we wanted to specialize in an area that really no one in this area has. In a small town, Mississippi, you get general practice lawyers, small practice lawyers that do divorce, domestic relations work, contract work, you name it. And occasionally a firm would pick up a personal injury case and fumble through it. My background is that after I came out of law school, or before I actually came out of law school, I went to work for a firm in Birmingham, Alabama that did nothing but plaintiffs' personal injury work. And I got to spend a lot of time working with those guys and seeing the kind of work they did and the impact that they had in their community. And so that's what I decided I wanted to do. I wanted to start a firm here that focused on one, possibly two areas of practice, one being personal injury and the other being criminal defense. We don't have a large volume firm where we're trying to just make money off of claims. We only take cases that we know we can win, or that we have reasonable belief that we can win. We not only invest our time, we invest our money. Here at our firm, we don't charge our personal injury client expenses. We pay those expenses up front. And we do that because we join with the client in this claim. The things that we can offer as a smaller firm is personality. I mean, when you come in to our office, you're not going to meet with a paralegal. You're going to meet with a lawyer, and you're going to meet with either me or another lawyer in our office. We take pride in the fact that we know our clients. Our clients know us, because it's important, if we're going to be their advocate and we're going to tell their story, to know what their story is. And that's what we offer. If you call our office to speak to me, you're going to speak to me. You're not going to speak to my secretary, who will take a message and hopefully I'll get back with you. You're going to get Stroud and Stroud Law Firm.
What sets the Stroud Law Firm apart from the bigger firms that you would find in Memphis or the bigger cities around North Mississippi is just the fact that you're going to come in and you're going to sit down with an attorney. We're not going to assign your case to a paralegal just because we don't feel like it's worth our time. We're going to sit down, either myself or Philip will sit down with you and talk to you about your case, and we're going to shoot you straight about it. Because if I was going through something, if I was injured, that's how I would want to be treated. And I can't let a client expect less from me than I would expect from someone in my position as an attorney.
If you want a law firm that will answer your call, you want a lawyer that will actually meet with you and speak with you and learn more about you and about your case. You want a lawyer that's going to work hard to make sure that others understand that this case is not a frivolous case, this is a real case. Then you want our firm. We're not going to hand you off to somebody after we meet you and get you to sign on the dotted line and then hand you off to somebody down the road. When you call Stroud Law Firm, you're going to get someone who cares about you and cares about your case.